So this is a new formula. It's awesome. It is so good. I cannot wait to tell you about this. It awakens and revitalizes the delicate eye area with an ultra hydrating gel cream. It goes on so nice. It has glacial water, vitamin C, probiotics, hyaluronate, Nordic antioxidants. It gives us a brighter, more youthful appearance. And let's be honest, like our eyes tell a story. Like if I'm tired, if I've had a bad day, if I'm stressed out, our eyes are the windows to the soul, right? We want those windows to be clean. Since we can't use a window cloth on them, we are going to use the eye cream. And that can happen from anything, from fatigue, if you have concerns in your life. So the rejuvenating eye cream is solely designed to combat these challenges that we face. It soothes our tired and puffy eyes. It illuminates the under eye area for optimal results. I integrated this into my morning and my nighttime routine. I've used eye creams for years. This one is by far my favorite. It has a focus on safety and gentleness. It utilizes plant-derived ingredients that will give us the most intensive moisture. It's dermatologist tested for allergies, for irritancy, and it's USDA certified, which is pretty cool. I really love it. This is a nice skincare solution that it's free of all the nasty stuff, right? So it's free of parabens, gluten, phthalates, formaldehyde, synthetic dyes, synthetic fragrances. It soothes and brightens and illuminates the delicate eye area, all while giving us the highest ethical standards. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, all the good stuff we love. And we also benefit from the refillable packaging, which is amazing. It has an airless pump that preserves the ingredients and reduce waste. It has 75 pumps of product in it. It's so easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. It can be a standalone purchase, so it can be bought separately, or you can get it as part of one of our sets, which save even more money. Refills come at a $10 savings. And if you love it, I recommend putting it on auto ship and save. You get an extra 10% discount. It's easy to apply. Just dispense one pump onto our ring fingers and then gently pat around the eye area. And as I mentioned yesterday, this is approved to use from lash to eyebrow. So not only under our eyes, but all the way around. And the reason why that sticks out to me is because the majority of skincare or eye products actually say on the bottle to avoid the eye area. How crazy is that? So let's dive in. There's some cool science-backed benefits with this. There have been independent consumer studies that have had great outcomes literally in just 1 week of use. I'm going to go down and I have a little post-it so I don't get any of these numbers wrong. So 94% of people in the independent studies experienced instant moisturization and awakened skin. 90% of participants noticed firmer, smoother, and suppler skin. And 100% of participants, how crazy is that, said it was light, smooth application, and long-lasting ultra hydration in their eye area that lasted all day. And with continued results or continued use, 96% of participants said that they were able to maintain that visibly smoother skin around their eyes. What an awesome study. So let's talk about the ingredients, what makes it awesome. It has glacial water. That is an ultra pure mineral rich ingredient that hydrates intensely, has Nordic antioxidants, organic cloudberry, lingonberry, and sea buckthorn. Those are oils. They deliver a quick absorbing antioxidant complex, vitamin C, that rejuvenates dull complexions, so dull skin around the eye. It also has probiotic extracts, which renew the skin tone. They protect the skin's microbiome, which is so important. This formula also includes some other ingredients, which are really cool. Adenosine, that is very soothing. Rosemary leaf is an antioxidant. Sunflower seed extract, that's for hydration, retention. Vitamin E protects. Ribose reduces wrinkles, and sodium hyaluronate gives us a deep, long-lasting hydration. So fun fact, eye cream is not just for mature skin. I used to think that. Experts actually recommend starting eye cream in our 20s to address early signs of aging like wrinkles and crow's feet and all the fun stuff, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment on the video. Let me know something you learned or something you're excited about. So hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.